How to get 80% off Southwest Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 50% off, 90% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. After you get the code, make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Southwest. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 80% off Southwest Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.